Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and in this today's video we are going to learn about the second scheme in PMEGP, and that is second loan for upgrading of your existing facility, your business unit or your industry. And that is going to be very helpful if you are a startup, you're starting a new business, setting up new things, you already got invested your things and you want the second loan, then this is for you. Okay, so what I wanted to update you is that already the video is available for the first loan for PMEG. What are the criteria, what are the objectives, key benefits, and from where to apply. It's already in detail explained there. Now we're talking about the second loan, that is for the upgradation of the system. Let's talk about its objectives, key benefits, who are gonna be eligible for this, and the link to apply. I'll also mention the link in the description below. Now, objective of this scheme is that with an objective to assist existing units for expansion upgradation. Okay, the scheme is also going to cater to the need of entrepreneurs for bringing new technology automation as to modernizing the units. So it's not only about expansion of your facility on the layout perspective, but if you want to bring in the new technologies, automations, or what I can say new machineries, that also it consists into the second loan for optimization. What are the key benefits of this? The maximum subsidy will be 15% of the project cost, 20% for NER and hill stage. The balance amount of the total project cost is provided by the bank as the term loan. Got it? So 15% government will be paying you, rest you are supposed to get it as a loan for the bank. Who are going to applicable for existing well-performing PMEGP units are going to get this upgrade on their loan. So you need to be first having your first PMEGP. You need to have your first loan applied, approved, and you're performing well, your industry is going great, then only you're going to get an upgradation loan again or a subsidy from a government of India. What are the detailed information? The further financial assistance scheme for expansion upgrade for manufacturing and service unit for the year 2018 to 2019. Maximum cost of the project in the manufacturing sector for upgradation is 1 crore and 25 lakhs in the service sector. Now the maximum subsidy would be 50%, as we rightly saw. That is rupees 15 lakhs in non-NER and 20 lakhs for NER and health stage. Now the remaining you need to get it as a loan from the bank. All existing units who have PMEGP scheme whose margin money claim has been adjusted, first loan availed and repaid in the stipulated time are eligible to get the benefits for this loan. The unit should make a profit for at least last 3 years. Beneficiary can apply to the same financing bank which sanctioned the loan for the unit, or to any other financing bank which is willing to extend credit facility for the second loan. Now the beneficiary can choose any implementing agency, and that may be different with the agency choosing first loan. Registration Udyam is mandatory. Second loan should lead to additional employment generation. To submit the application on second loan, you need to apply, update beneficiary has to apply by filling the form or at PMEG portal. So this is the link. I'll get you this link, and by applying from this link, you can get the second loan. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. See you soon in the next video onto this. So keep watching Leansimcorp. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit like, share. Bye-bye.